noticed starting things out a bit different. When I had gotten to the track, just before I had gotten and left and got there, it had actually poured down rain. So when I got here, they were actually tilling up the track. They were using a grader when I originally got here, but when I finally got seated, they brought out the plow and started using the disc to till it up. And then they eventually went and started carving it back into a pulling track with the grader and the rollers. Um, when it all was said and done, when they finished up this, they brought the sled out and the case hooked up to the sled, and they made a couple test passes with the sled, using the weight of the sled and moving the weight box up to actually level out the track even more. And then once they got all that finished up, they went ahead and got into the pulling. It was an hour after they were supposed to start, but they did a good job of getting everything together and getting things started. So with all said and done, we're going to get right into it ourselves here with the Pro Stock Semis.
All right, trade line fans. We'll be getting that first roll here soon. Got the green flag. There's a lot of wheels up, just like the big time. If you run a super clutch, so it's got to bring a lot of wheels up. How about that, pulling fans? Peterbilt fans. We will set the official mark for it. Tires on that truck. Bring that big one working out. Oh, got a little flutter going on. Like the sound of that. So let's hope it's nothing major that you can't get that thing wound up. Brought down, he's trying to touch that 341 mark. Oh! Not a bad run for the Kenworth. Alright, we got the green flag.